Hi everybody, my name is Deb Martin and I work at Bicentennial Trail Daycare. Today I'm going to do an activity of science for preschool, and we're going to plant a seed, and today I chose to plant a zucchini seed. And this is my zucchini seed. Actually, I brought two to show. And to plant, we're gonna need something to plant it in. So if you look around your home, you'll find all different kinds of things that you can use for planting. You don't necessarily have to go out and buy a planter, because I brought some things that you possibly could use. You could use toilet paper rolls. You just put the dirt inside, put your seed in, and ready to go. So you could use toilet rolls. You could use a styrofoam cup. This is just a water soda pop bottle that I brought in. I just cut the bottom off. If you drink pop, then there's a container. You can just use a cup. These are just things I found around my house. And this, it had strawberries in it, and it has holes in the bottom. So once you water your plant, if you overwater, then the water will come through the bottom. And this was just a strawberry container, and you can plant in that as well. And I also brought a toilet paper roll, can be cut up as well. And an egg carton. An egg carton is really good to use because it has so many different compartments in it. And you can put dirt in each compartment, or soil, whatever you want to use, and then put your seed in. And what's good about the toilet paper and the paper towel roll and the egg cartons, they're biodegradable, so they will compose once they're in the dirt. So you can actually cut these apart and put the whole thing right in the ground once your seed starts to grow. So that's one good thing about using these ones. And I got a container, reusable, and I have my dirt in there. And I just got, this dirt is potting soil that I brought. I think it was called Miracle Grow. So I just got some of that. But if you don't have Miracle Grow, you can just go outside and you can use a shovel or even your hand and pick up some dirt and put it in your container. You don't necessarily have to use potting soil, but this is what I brought today. And I think we're going to choose to, just because it's bigger and you can see through it, we'll use the bottom of the bottle container. And maybe we can use the cup to fill it up. And all we do is you take your soil and you fill your container up. One, two, maybe 3 cups. We'll see. We'll try that. Pack it in. You don't really have to pack it. Just push it down a little bit, and we'll make a little hole in the center. You can see the little hole. That's where we're going to put the seed. And this zucchini seed, it should grow in about 4 or 5 days. You should be able to see it come out of the dirt. So we're going to take the seed out. think we're going to use 3 seeds. And I want to show you what the seeds look like. Remember, these are zucchini seeds. And 3. And we'll take a little bit more dirt. Can you see the 3 in there? Kind of spread them out a little bit so they're not touching. I tried to do that. Then we're going to take a little bit more dirt and we'll just cover it up on top and cover our seeds up. And then push it down just a little bit. And then we want to give it a little drink of water. So we're going to give it some water. And then what you can do, you can take it to wherever you want in your house where there's lots of sunlight, because plants like lots of sunlight, and they like you to talk to them. You can talk to them every day and give them a name if you want, and it will grow. So we'll just put it on the table now, for now. And I also wanted to mention, when you grow your own food, it gives us a connection to Mother Earth, and it's our tradition. And when you do it with your children, it gives the children an accomplishment for them once it grows to see what they did, and it makes them happy. And I just wanted to show you, once the seed starts to grow, it's gonna look like this. I brought a picture, and there's the leaves. They're a little bit smaller, and then as they grow, they're gonna get huge, and they're really big leaves. And the vegetable that's gonna come, remember it was called a zucchini, this is what it's gonna look like. And this is what you're gonna pick. It's got a little stem on it, and you'll just grab it out and you'll just twist it a little bit and it will break right off. And thank you for listening. This is my science.